I didn't know.
Hey, Daddy, please let me go to the office with you.
You want to go to the office with me?
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah.
No, Dad, don't go with her. She's going to distract you. Let me go with you.
You are the one that's not going to distract me.
Yes, Daddy.
Don't worry. I will give you a tour around the office. Oh?
It's fine. Daddy's fair. Come on, let me go.
Please, don't kill a backup for me. John!
All right, sir. Have a nice day.
You called me?
Yes, I called you for us to discuss business. Yes. What of your consignment? When is it coming? Yes, did you see that the engine of this motor is on?
I'm sorry, sir. I forgot.
You forgot what? Come on, go open the gate for me. Tozo, I will rename you Ishmael.
Are you back? You're welcome.
Have you finished?
I was even wondering whether you are going to come back before I go. Because I want to tell you that I want to prepare yam for your lunch.
Very good.
Hope you will like it.
Yes, I like it. But what of the food that was remaining?
I warmed it.
Oh, very good.
It's in your room already.
Nedere, I so bless God who has made it possible for my brother Ukulora to marry you. Oh, and God will bless you on a care. Oh yeah, huh? And the people will look after you just as you are looking after me, an old man.
Thank you. Let me rush, my dear.
Please do that.
I want to prepare this immediately because we'll be going to meeting.
Oh, yes. I see. Very good. Okay.
Come. Is the machine choking?
The machine is not well. I'm just managing it.
Okay.
Sorry. Is your mother back?
Not yet.
Not yet.
No.
What is keeping her? Huh? Since?
Yes, so Papa, I'm very hungry. My tummy has been singing.
Oh, singing. He thought. The only thing you know is food. You can't even care to enter inside the farm and the farm.
Papa, this one, lazy girl, you want her to die?
Let me go inside.
You want to kill her? Toro. Mama is back.
Mama, welcome.
Mama, welcome.
Thank you. Oh, you take this yam.
Yeah, collect the one.
Thank you. Hi. Oh.
Welcome.
Please prepare this yam immediately. Prepare yam porridge. I'm so hungry.
Didn't you see me?
I'm sorry.
What kept you since? It's like you are doing another thing there. Are you sure you are coming from my brother's house now? Brother's house.
No, I was going to queen here. Huh? There's too much work there.
Lot of work there. Can we no joke with? Come and give me food.
My food is not ready now. That was why I told them to go and prepare this yam porridge so that we could use it for breakfast and lunch. Though Mazi Okeke will be using it for lunch only.
You might know that you're helping now, Okeke. I wonder where you'll be bringing all these big foods from. Shut up.
That was why I allowed their mother to be doing that job, so that we'll be getting our share from there.
Does it mean you can't work, Papa?
You're asking me a question?
Yes.
If I can work. If you are a make-up for brother, will you work?
In that case, let me go and live with Ichi Okeke now, so that you will be eating enough.
So that you will go there and block our way. I gotta watch it also.
You want to block our way?
How? Am I not your daughter?
Let me know if you're your daughter. If you go there and leave, how are we be bringing food into this house?
Mama.
It's better that I'm
going. You're a guy woman.
Listen to the kitchen. You're a guy
Hey,
woman.
let me enter house, please.
Thank you.
Daddy, what will you do if she finally leaves?
That is the problem I have now. That girl is so wonderful. She's so wonderful that I will find it difficult to replace her. Believe you me.
But how could she do this to herself? I mean, getting pregnant for a man.
Well, that's the question I've been asking. I've answered that question severally. But, you know, at a stage, I began not to, you know, blame her so much. First, the guy said, promise her marriage. Somewhere along the line, she got pregnant, and the guy denies. So, I pity her.
But Daddy, she's too big for a man to deceive just like that. Eh? I think it's best if you sack her.
I think she has a point there. It's better you sack her because very soon her pregnancy will start showing. And you know she can't work under such condition.
Easier said than done. Let me tell you, anybody can fall into such conditions if you make some mistake. The world is a very large place. Anybody could make such a mistake and fall into that condition.
Don't worry, Daddy. I'll help you look for another secretary, a very decent lady, if possible, a born-again Christian.
Don't even go there. You see, the thing is, it's not as easy as you people think. You know, when somebody comes into a company and master the company, she knows the format, she knows how I even reason. She knows the format we take in that very company. It is not easy. That girl takes that company as her own.
You're praising her as if the survival of your company depends on her. But crying out loud, if she leaves, someone better will take over.
It's not that easy.
What if her husband comes to take her away? What will you do then?
Well, when we come to that bridge, I think we'll cross it.
Daddy, have you seen the reason why I hate men? This is the reason why I despise men so much. Men are very heartless. I mean, how can the guy do that to her?
Anita, don't ever generalize. Don't ever say men are evil. Men are this, men are that. No. Say that man is evil. Because we have different characteristics and different... after all, I'm your father, I'm a man. Okay, I'm evil.
Daddy, come on.
You cannot say minus my father, men are evil.
Try. Bruce, what type of bad news is this? Eh? You have finished meal.
Mama, please calm down. I know it's bad news, but what do you want me to do? That is why I had to make out time to come and inform you people about it. Besides, it's affecting my work and my boss may even sack me.
So, your boss is aware of it?
Yes, Mama.
Sister Rose, you of all the ladies in the world, you of all people, how could you allow such thing to happen? How?
Please stop it. This is not the best way to use for our sister's problem.
What do you mean? Let's go mad. What do you mean? Listen, my ears are scratching to hear better news, not this type.
Mama, did you hear what Ibube is telling me?
Ibube is right. I am highly disappointed in you. Roslyn, when you were growing up, you were a very smart girl. Only to be foolish at your old age. What is the meaning of that? What's that?
Mama, I'm sorry. Ibube, I know I messed up, but you don't have to blame me. He promised to marry me, but once I took in, he denied it. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to kill myself?
The truth, I'm very disappointed. I'm so disappointed. Eh? See, as the only son of this family, I should be expecting a brother-in-law. Yes! Not a niece or nephew without a father. Or see me for now.
No, please calm down and let's see how to tackle this issue.
Anako, see, the truth is that I'm coming with you to the city. I need to see that guy. I need to talk to him one-on-one, man to man. Eh? He needs to know that you have a brother. Yours, bro.
Bube, I understand, but I don't want any trouble. Even my boss wanted to arrest him, but I told him no, I don't want any case.
It's a lie, your sister. He must marry you.
I pray he changes his mind.
You better pray hard. Pray hard, Roslyn. Because I wonder how he will allow you work for him with this pregnancy. I wonder. Because he may go malo. You have finished me. Eh? You have finished me, oh.
But Mama, it hasn't gotten to that yet. Besides, my boss is a very nice man.
No, sister, it's better we do something as women fast before this news will spread all over the village. Oh.
That's it, woman, fast. I hope it's not what I am thinking. I hope so. Because if it is, that will be over my dead body. Because I will not live to see it. Lala.
No, wait, Mommy. What did you just say?
Your father said he wants to ask Rose to marry Grandpa.
And what did you tell him?
Rose will insult him.
Oh, seriously, Mommy? It sounds funny. Or is it because she's pregnant?
Mommy, Auntie Rose will not agree to marry Grandpa.
Mommy. Don't you think Grandpa would be happy if Auntie Rose marries him?
How do you know Grandpa would be happy for that small girl?
Mom, I didn't try it.
But Auntie Nadre is taking care of him.
My daughter, I told your father that. But let's just watch him now. Let's watch him. He will go and come back and tell us stories.
Mommy, there is no age in love.
Look at the girl.
I just think Auntie Rose, seriously.
Rose, I'm highly disappointed. Highly disappointed. I can't believe what I'm hearing.
Uncle, I'm sorry. It has happened. What we should look for is a solution to the problem.
My concern is that he will marry you. You can't bring problem upon us. You can't.
How can we see him? How can we see him? He needs to be told one or two things. He needs to know you have a family.
Oh, exactly. Yes.
Sister Rose, listen. That guy cannot do this thing to you and just walk away. You and I will go to city. We will go to the city. I will see that guy.
Go to the city.
We must go to the city. And I will see that guy. See his face. He will see my own. He cannot do this thing and just walk away like that. I don't mean now. How can I go to that level?
The problem is that he traveled to China.
China? That means not Diego. He's rich. He's able and capable to marry you and take care of you. So why is he running away? Why is he denying? See, let me tell you, that guy cannot just do this thing to you and just go like that.
Please, Uncle. Let's not worry ourselves over this man since he's not interested. Besides, we can't force him to marry Sister Rose. They can never live in peace.
Who is talking about peace here? Who is talking about peace here? Let them not live in peace now. He will marry her.
Uncle, she's correct now.
What do you mean she's correct? What do you mean she's correct? So you're telling me there's nothing you can do to make that man marry you? Rose? You cannot bring shame into this family. You cannot. Mbano. It's you.
Listen. I'm okay, listen. I'm not rebuking you again. No? Do you understand? But you should find a way to let him know that you have a family. And that we are not happy.
Oh,
we are not happy.
I'm not happy with you. I'm not happy. My God. Rose, I did not train you only to be put to shame. No! You are here telling us that the man traveled to China at your old age. You don't know what it takes to find a good man. Good man! Rose. A good man!
Rose.
Hey! Is it because I'm keeping quiet?
Take it easy. I know these children. Take it easy. We will just lure him and he will marry her. He's a rich man. Papa, you see, this proposal is not it's not an afterthought. Papa, you have taken a position for me in this very village. Because if you're not here, nobody will be in this my house. That's true. And I don't want you to die early. Papa John, because what you protect me in the village. That's why I can stay outside and do anything, because I know that Papa is there. Correct. I don't want it to end so short. Papa, my intention is to marry a wife for you.
But Nedre is not complaining. The husband too is not complaining.
Papa, they will not complain in your face. They will not complain in your before. But you have to know that this is a different family rendering help to you. It's quite different from marrying a woman who will be part of your family. Papa, somebody you can give instructions. You will tell this in. There are limitations to what a Nedre can do for you.
That's true.
And you don't have to overstretch her because she's married.
Of course you don't.
So, forget about all the days thing though she comes, she help. You need help morning, you need help afternoon, you need help night. I want to marry somebody who will help you physically and emotionally.
Agunwa.
So that is why I said, let me come and then let you know. You know?
What you doing, I actually not wanted any wife, but since you are so much interested, in fact, all you've said now are all facts. They're all facts. Well, you are going to spend your money.
Okay, Papa. Now that you say it's my money, I want to do the. I have already tied up, started an arrangement of this lady that will come here.
You mean it?
Oh yes. I'm almost in the conclusion stage. Papa, I want you to live. I don't want to lose you. Do you marry feeble?
Money, if I gonna me, Oje gonna Ubana chowa. There is a problem, we say you don't get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn white to black. It is a money.
Welcome, sir. Thank you. You must be able to be right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. I hope your sister is in Rose.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Madam. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, sir. You're welcome.
Yeah. How's everything?
We are fine. We thank God.
Yeah. I came to know why you left without even informing me.
Hey.
Why? Is it fair?
Hey, Rose, why did you do that? What should you do, please, Pico? Forgive her. Pico.
I'm sorry, sir.
It's not as if I have anything against her. But at least courtesy demand that she should have told me. She knows it. I can grant her leave of any day, any number of days she wants. And put allowance on top of it. So why do I behave the way you did?
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry, Pico.
So,
you know that she's just undergoing a kind of a traumatic situation.
I understand it.
But please, let's go inside. Let me get you cooler.
No. Rather than go inside, I would really prefer staying here.
Okay, let's go and get cooler for
come. Rose. Rose, there is something I want us to discuss. And it is not something I would want another ear to hear first. It's just between you and I. Can we go somewhere?
Mama, that is why I called you all. To tell you that I'm interested in the idea.
Rose, what has come over you? Eh? Are you mad? What is all this? Eh? You want more colo? Sister
Rose.
Hey.
Sister Rose, did you hear yourself? Eh? Did you hear yourself? You want to marry that man, okay? That dying old man, Ochudo's father. No. Are they possible?
That can never happen. Sister, no way. This can never happen. I'm totally against you this time around.
No. Go ahead and support her. Eh? I thought we were supporting her. Totally support her.
Why are you all sounding this way? Like I'm doing something evil. It is my choice. My mind is made up. I must marry him.
Sister, we are trying to endure the shame of pregnancy you brought in our family, and here you're trying to bring the real shame. Sister, no way. No way.
Look at you. Look at what you're saying. Eh? Listen, you're a woman, and one day it might even happen to you.
God forbid, sister. I will never allow myself to be used in this way or to make a stupid decision in order to cover up. Sister, please, you better wake up. You better wake up. Do not allow me to develop hypertension, sister.
There is nothing that will make me believe that you are serious with the idea of marrying a dying man like Okeke. Because you want to hide away from your mistake. My dear, you will never cover a mistake with mistake. Anyway, I want to go and sleep till tomorrow. You too, you should go and sleep. But try to erase such thing from your memory. Because I will not allow such to happen in this family. I will not live to see such to happen. I will not. We go catch your phone.
I'm not in support of this. If you have stayed your future, please do not try to stay mine. Do not try to stay mine.
This is what you can say, Abi. Abi? Okay.
Sister Rose, listen. I call you sister because I want to respect you. In case you don't know, I will tell you that I'm now like a father to you. So, as the first son of this family, I can never sit down and watch you drag this family's name to the mud. So better reject that offer. Reject it. Do you understand? Better reject it. We to avoid this.
I don't know what you're saying though. If you like be the father or not my father, my mind is made up. This opportunity will not pass me by.
Okay.
I have planned, I have done everything. The ball is not in your court.
No, it can't be in my court anyway. We shall have then to plan when to go and see her people.
Leave that one for me now. I will go to the accused men, inform all of them, and let them know what our intentions are.
What you do? What you do, my brother?
Hey, brother. You're welcome.
Hey. I heard that you came back yesterday.
Yes.
I came and you just said that you went out.
Yes, I went somewhere. Good thing you are here now. The stress we have been giving to your wife. I thought about it and I said, no, let's not continue to give Nedri this kind of stress. In fact, I decided to get a wife for Papa.
Wife? Are you serious?
Yes. To take care of him.
She a wife?
Yes, so. What you they say so? He even said that he got a girl who has even accepted.
Chudo, I don't support this. Don't tell me that you want to get Ichi a wife at his age.
That is the more reason why you have to get him a wife. You want us to kill your wife? Nedri takes care of your own family. She comes back to take care of Papa. No, that's too much stress now on her.
But my wife is not complaining.
She doesn't have to complain.
Yeah. I don't support this idea. I don't support it. Ichi, Do you really need a wife?
I have told Ochudo, but he will not agree with me. So let us go by his own idea.
Thank you.
After all, he is going to spend his own money. Besides, I see some points in what he's talking about. To find someone who will stay with me permanent in this house.
Issue of somebody staying with you. You know I have children. I can send one of them to take care of you, to live with you. After all, you are our father.
Okuloha, it's not, taking care of an old man entails much more than children coming to go errands. To sustain his life and make him live longer, you need something more. I mean, you need somebody who is matured enough. I mean, you can come take care of Papa. Maybe Papa has pain somewhere, massages Papa and all that. It's not what your children can.
Well, it's only if Ichie can stand it.
Don't worry, a wife to take care of his needs. We're not going to that very angle, but it's too much on Nedri. It's too much on.
Nai, this is another trouble. Rose is trying to bring shame into this family. Please come and talk to her, I beg you. Biko.
What is all this? What is all this? And what has come over Rose lately?
I don't know.
Amoge, is it not the same Rose I know?
Yes.
Something has gone wrong. Something really has gone wrong. But never mind. I must talk to her.
Okay.
Talk to her.
Please come. I don't know why Ochudo is giving my daughter such an offer. I don't know.
Is Rose a fool? Is she a child? How can she accept such an ugly offer just because of her condition?
I don't know. And she's insisting. I will do something. I will do something in Nayokoro. How can I train my own daughter? Only for her to oh God. How can I train my own daughter? Only for her to bring shame upon me. Please come and talk to your brother's daughter. Come and talk to her.
Calm down. I say it's okay. Wipe your tears. Stop crying. Listen to me. Okeke is an Ichie in this village. Okeke cannot continue with that marriage if the dowry is not received.
Oh.
And now tell me, who will receive the dowry? Is it not Ebubechuku, your son?
Yes.
And I. Let them come and force us to receive now. Stop crying, wipe your tears. Or Chudo's plan will fail. Okay. I'm assuring you of that.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Nai. Let me be going, but please try your best to come, Biko.
I have promised you that I will come to talk to her.
Okay.
Wipe your tears.
Oh, thank you.
Stop crying, This woman.
Nai, welcome.
Papa, what is that? Welcome, sir. Papa, welcome.
Nai, what is it?
We heard you shout.
Hey! Hey! How? Nai, what is it?
Ochudo want to get wife for Ichie.
What? Why would Ochudo do such thing? Did I tell them that I'm tired of taking care of their father? Hey!
I told him that you are not complaining. But they refused.
My God.
He wants somebody to be living with his father in that house.
See now, Papa, I told you, let me go and stay with them. You refused. Now you see.
Yes, you should have told them that your daughter will come and live with him. And now, how can you allow them to take away such post from me? Hi.
I try everything possible to stop them from their plans. But they refuse.
Hey.
They say no. Even Ochudo has made every necessary arrangement over it before. He only came back to inform us.
Papa, you have to do something. How would an old man like Ishe need a wife?
I wonder.
Who would even want to marry such an old man?
Sorry. Even as old as he is, he still wants to marry. I made a foolish mistake. I would have packed all the food in that house.
If you are going there tomorrow, I'll go with you. So that I will pack enough food from there.
Even me too. You know me, I cannot joke with my tummy. I like food. I'll follow you. We'll go and pack your own food in that house. What?
Can you not talk with that? Your tummy, every time, tummy.
Why won't I fight for my tummy?
Go!
Mama, come on.
You are
Oh my God, you are cheating.
Yeah, cheating. You are beeping.
Hey,
Nayokura, welcome.
Is your mother in?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Call her for me.
Mama, 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 come. Nayokura is here to see you.
Hey, no. No.
How are you?
You're welcome. No, Lanan.
I'm not sitting, I'm not in the church. The church people are using this word.
So bad, you know. No. This one you are here. I hope all is well.
You're asking me a question. Okay, that is why I came. I'm wondering how you are asking me if all is well.
How do you mean?
How do I mean? Amoge. Everybody in this village knows you as a responsible woman. Woman that hustles like a lion. Now, I wonder what took your sense of decency. What is wrong, Amoge?
Kuraha, I'm confused about your statement. I can't remember the last time you came to my house. Coming now, you sound so strange. Be open. Be open to me.
You want me to be open? Okay, I will be open now. Amoge, how can you sit down and watch your daughter to marry my old brother, Okeke? Eh? How can? Is it not abomination? My brother that is almost half dead, if I may say. Eh?
Oh, hey. Nanyukroha, I'm dying. And Manwangu. My daughter is trying to drag my name to the mud. Biko, help me. And Manwangu.
Hey. I would have said, how can Amoge of all people?
Nayokura. Does it mean that Ochudo is serious with that marriage?
So you are talking of seriousness, Abi? Every necessary arrangement has been made. And I tried all possible to stop them. No way. That is why I just walked straight to come and see Amoge.
Please help me.
Help you?
Help me and discourage Okeke from marrying my daughter. I don't know why she should accept to marry Okeke. Biko, help me, Nai, I beg you.
Okay, sit down.
Biko.
Sit down.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You want me to discourage them?
Yes.
What type of weapon do you have so that you give me? So that I will use it to discourage them? Because there's no way. I haven't tried to stop them or discourage them. All in vain. One thing we will do now is that you and their son, we will join hands together to stop that thing. Okay, now, what is your daughter going there to do? Is she going there to marry or to kill? If she goes there tomorrow, she will kill my brother. And open market, come one, come on, everybody will be coming in to distribute. Small time, she will open bastard the company in our family. We will not support it. Family. But God forbid that thing. It will not happen.
Please.
I'm going.
Please tell them to stop.
We do. I'm going.
Stella, how do you mean?
Look, what I mean is that why will you get pregnant for that guy, knowing fully well he's not serious?
How was I supposed to know he wasn't serious? You talk like you don't know men again. Anyway, I have made the mistake. That is why I want to correct it.
Correct it? Did I hear you say correct? You want to correct your mistake by marrying an old man, your grandfather?
How do you mean my grandfather?
Wait, oh, you want to tell me Okike is not old enough to be your grandfather? You want to tell me he's not old enough to be your grandfather? Please, babe, just cut me this. Stop saying this. Why will you even take such a decision? Just because of whatever Ochudo promised you? Please, babe, spare me this. Just, I don't know.
I'm surprised they're saying all this. Tell me, how do I get money to take care of the baby single-handedly? Or have you forgotten that if I don't accept his offer, then I'm going to lose my job?
Look, your mother's heart is at stake here. Please, you need to help her. Don't break that woman's heart. You don't want to tell me that tomorrow she will abandon you and your unborn child. No, she will not. She won't. Look, have a rethink. Go back to Ochudo. Tell him you are not interested. Just tell him.
I'm sorry to disappoint you. I can't do that. Don't mind my mother. She will be fine. Please, can we change topic? Please.
Alright, change topic. Why would we change topic? I'm saying something serious and I say change topic.
Okay. Okay. I have heard everything you said. You have said your own, I have said my own. Hope it won't affect our friendship.
I never said so. All I'm saying is just have a rethink. That's all I'm saying.
Alright. Yes, ma'am.
No, leave me alone, please. I'm serious.
Ochudo, we've heard you. No problem.
Since the girl is from this community and she has already agreed to marry Papa, Udodon, all we have to do is just fix a date to go and see her people.
Finish. That is the only thing, because like he said, he has already concluded it. I'm even suggesting we go this weekend. Yes, this weekend will be perfect. So can you say something?
It's good to see the family first, for them to know that Ichie wants to marry their daughter. Don't you think so?
I think so.
What is your problem? What is your problem? Are you for this marriage or are you against this marriage?
Ochudo, I think Okulora is right. Since that girl is from this village, to avoid insult.
Thank you very much. That's a good suggestion. Enough. Are we going there for evil? We're not going there to kill anybody. It is for marriage. It is something good. Bikon, now that we have concluded we are going to see the girls' people for this weekend there. Okulora, I'm going to give you some money to get some drinks. Maybe hot drink or schnapps like this, or whiskey or brandy. Because already Papa, you said you're going to provide the palm wine.
But you will pay me for the palm wine, no?
Papa, the wife we're going to marry is yours. The palm wine is yours, so you want me to pay you for the wife you want to marry?
He's right. You are the one pushing him into this. So, well, me myself, I don't think that I will be around to buy that beer, because I will be going to my in-laws.
Okay, don't worry. I will pay you. Now, Ofando, I think it's you I'll have to give some money. For the whiskey or brandy or anything, or even champagne. We need to have something, one bottle. Okay?
It's sure, Ofando. I thought you said that you will be going to Onisha.
What is your problem, this man?
I just want to remind him.
Remind him of what? Is he out of his senses? Is he unconscious?
Actually, he's correct. But it depends on the day we will be going.
Okay, in fact, if people will not buy, I'll buy it. Don't worry. Yeah, happen. You go to mine. Oh, I'm going to buy. Papa, you say I'm going to buy.
Okay. Rose, I will not tell you what I will do tomorrow. Kechulu, let tomorrow come. Let tomorrow come. I will not tell you what I will do.
Mama, don't do anything funny. My mind is made up, and you all should respect my decision.
Sister, not exactly. What has Ochudo given to you that makes you to drive our family to the mud?
Don't you dare talk to me like that. You're a woman. When it comes to your turn, do as you like.
This is not doing as I like. My family loves me so much. Will listen to me and do what they want me to do.
Exactly, my dear. Thank you. That is my baby. That is the spirit. You see? Rose, you have decided to disobey me. You have decided to break my heart. Eh? Hey, baby, you are not talking. You're keeping quiet. Why? Eh? So you won't allow your sister to just waste like that? You want her to waste, eh? Okay. There's no problem, oh. No problem. Okay. No problem.
Relax. Eh? What a man is capable of doing, he does not say. Don't worry. I've been singing this thing like a song to Rose, but she refused to listen. When a day will come, you will realize my importance to you.
Spare me all that, Ebube. Why can't you all pretend and let me do what I want? It is my life.
To the detriment of the family name. No, sister, it won't work.
Rosaline, we shall see tomorrow. Let me go and sleep. That's no problem. We shall see. We shall see.
I have seen that you have made up your mind on this issue. But if you dare make Mama to develop high BP over this issue, I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you. I was fine.
Oh, sister, this is so irritating. What are you teaching me as my elder?
I beg? That is your own business. If you like, oh, if you don't like, oh, I don't care. My mind is made up. I must marry Okeke. Shake it now.
Welcome. Okay, my dear. I went to the office. I couldn't find either him or Rose in the office. And I've been trying his line. I said, let me come to the house.
Madoka, your partner has been so busy. He traveled to the village. I'm sure that's why his number has not been going.
Busy? Is he building a new house?
That would have been better. Anyway, you're not a stranger.
Yes.
He's busy running around getting a new wife for his father.
A new wife?
Mm-hmm.
Since when?
Since last week.
He didn't tell me this.
That has taken away all his time.
Oh, Chudo. He will not cease to amaze me. I will believe him.
Okay.
I will believe him. The purpose for me looking for him is very, very urgent.
Okay.
But I will be calling his number.
I'll also keep trying him. Once I get him, I will tell him that.
Better do that. Thank you very much.
Please, let me offer you something.
No, don't.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, greetings to your children.
Okay.
It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something.
Me, I will not open that door.
It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Combo. It is a money something. Ojego Nepunowa. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn white to black. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Combo. It is a money something. Ojego Nepunowa. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Obifego Nebe. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn white to black. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Combo. It is a money something. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something.
How are you?
Open the door, Mary.
Which door? Which door? Inside here, they will not enter it. They will not enter here. When Mama is not around.
You can't even welcome us to your place.
Come, I don't think it is.
It's all right. Let's wait for the mother. Hey, Jay, sit down. Don't worry about it. They say you went out and we decided to wait outside for you.
Hey, Buga, what is it?
Mama, your in-laws, okay, has come to marry Sister Rose.
God forbid! What? God forbid!
Please calm down.
I should calm down before I close my eyes and open it. All of you is out of here. Get out! Mama! You are still here? Ochodo, get out of my house! Everybody! Okay. And you what has come over you? Are you mad? What is wrong with you? I don't like what you're doing, Mama. You don't like it. I don't like it, Mama. Eh? You don't like it. Okay, let me see them here again. Let me just see them again. Idiots. Come back here. Come back here. Where are you going? Raz! Hey.
Hi, babe. What's up? My dear, long time.
You're looking so taken away.
And you too. You know I miss you people a lot.
When did you come back?
The day before yesterday.
Oh, wow.
Hey, babe. What am I hearing about your friend Rose? My dear, that's the way we saw it though. How could she be so foolish? Eh? I thought she's too smart.
My dear, I personally tried talking sense into her, but she wouldn't listen. I'm even on my way to their house now because Ochudo and his people are coming to see her family. So I'm going there now.
But you came late. Ha! They have come and gone.
It's a lie.
Rose's mother chased them away.
How did you know?
Ha! You are asking me how do I know? Have you forgotten that we live very close?
It's true, I've forgotten. My dear, I'm going there now. Later, we'll see, please.
Okay, no problem. Wonder shall never end. Rose.
This woman did this to me. What a disgrace. They hold me or judo. I will show this woman, I will show her that though that Rose is her daughter, but I'm the person who plays her salary, with which she uses to maintain them.
Yes. That woman did not behave very well at all. Why should she behave like this without allowing us to talk?
Not even to hear us.
Why we are there.
Okay. The woman did right. What she did is right. Only a mother to a cripple that will not do this thing this woman did today. We better stop this marriage. Ochudo, you heard me.
Yes.
We better stop it.
My fellow kinsmen, I think Okulora is right.
In what sense is Okulora right? Why do you people have these negative thoughts about this project? Okulora will be again. Have I asked you to lend me some money? He will always be against the whole thing. And you are now combining.
Calm down. You know, marriage is a very sensitive issue. Oh. And as a mukube uchonya di enjo, I think we should suspend this marriage.
Even you. Okay. It will be better if we suspend everything. It will be better if we suspend everything. Why do you people have negative thoughts about this man? Tell me, can you give me one reason? Ababeku Okulora will just begin to talk negatively. Because what support her. Even you have not joined now. Don't worry. You see, with or without you, I will go and this is going to succeed. Papa, don't worry. Even this marriage, it is going to work out. It is going to work out with or without you people.
But we are against men. And we can't deceive you.
So why are you almost against this?
Please, sir. I'm sorry for what my mother did to you people. Please, I'm so sorry.
That is the person, the price we are all hankering for. Is here. Why do I need anybody's opinion? No other person's opinion. Stand up, stand up. Stand up.
Okay. If you get Iche, you've seen him. Do you want to marry Iche?
Yes, 9.
No, you would have slapped her to tell you because what she gave to you was not what you wanted to hear. Huh? Okulora, why are you throwing away your face? Nenyan, this is the person we're talking about. If you're Papa Neya Niru, you just be Niru and to die. Any fly that comes here. Also, I rock. My dear, please go inside. Go to this.
Please, my fellow kinsmen.
Jalu, come on.
We need to think well into this matter.
I have been thinking well. I have thought about it. It is you people who need to bazien do. You are not thinking well. Okay. You people want it to fail. What can you come
Udo. Okay. Ochudo. I think we should drink that palm wine.
You know, if you are going to get this thing and that thing, you see danger in that thing. That drink you used to go there, you don't touch it again. I got woo for the mania. No. What do you mean by Onyeku? Why not the person who is saying no? Well, ask him who. Ask him who and say, Nemango.
Judah. We have to drink the power.
If you go, Papa Piano, come. Those guys. Then I go. Bye. Bye.
Okulora, Bia.
I don't know what
Mama, so Rose have the heart to run away from this house? So Rose have the heart to leave this house like that?
My son, since she decided to disappoint me, don't worry, I will deal with her. Let her run.
Here. Mama, are you sure Ochudo did not use any diabolic means towards Sister Rose? Here.
There is something wrong somewhere. I've been wondering why Sister Rose should be doing like this. Behaving like a child. See, Mama, you have to go there. You have to go there and talk to them. Because if you not do that, I'll do it myself. Right now.
No, don't worry. I'll go and sit down Yukuru first. Don't worry. Just forget it.
Stella, what is wrong? What is the problem? Where is Rose?
She ran away possibly to Ochido's house, all because we refused to welcome them.
My dear, your friend has killed me. She wants to kill me. She wants me to die. She has killed me. You better go and talk to her. Go and talk to your friend before I do something terrible.
Stella, if you love your friend Rose, if you love your friendship with her, go there right now and tell her to come back to this house. Because I will do something she will not like. Tell her that.
What's wrong with this girl? What has come over this girl? What is her problem?
I don't know.
Mama, I'll have to go there and find out if she's there. I'll have to go.
It's okay. Upon all my suffering, this is what she used to pay me back.
Mama, calm down.
It's okay.
Don't worry. I'll have to go now.
It's alright. Okay. Let me go and prepare so I'll go and see mine.
Money, if I gonna make, Oje gonna Ubana showa. There is a problem, we say you don't get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way.
Bam, anybody here?
Yes, it has.
It's me, ma. Oh, you know.
Oh, Chioma. How are you?
Fine, ma. Is Auntie Joy?
No, she went to fetch firewood.
When my sister asked me to come and check if she's around.
No, she'll be back in a couple of times.
Tell her that I came.
All right, I will.
Right.
Oh?
Thank you, ma.
All right,
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Yes, ma.
How are you?
I'm back. Oh.
You're welcome. Back. Thank God.
Thank God.
The marriage has ended. I told you that I will stop that marriage. My prayer since night is that that marriage will not work. Eh?
Now tell me something.
Amoge surprised me today.
Tell me something.
Amoge fought like a lion.
Eh?
Yeah. Ochudo would have been a dead person today. You see, as we were waiting, you know that I'm not happy.
Yes.
I'm praying. From nowhere, Amoge with us.
Hey, thank God. Yes.
The funny part of it, before we get to KK's house, this girl ran to us. Begin to beg. Please, I'm sorry. Hey,
Yeah. Is she all this desperate?
I don't know. I begin to suspect that something is wrong somewhere.
Yes, there must be something wrong with her. Maybe she has HIV.
That one concerned them, but not my brother. Okay. Because I know that Ochu don't want to kill him.
You don't have to be very careful, oh.
Okay, look at my machines. He didn't even talk of giving me money to repair these machines. He's talking of marrying to Okeke. He wants to kill Okeke earlier before his time. No! I think, do you have any food in this house? Go and prepare food for me.
You are asking about food. This house is too much loaded. Come and eat food. I packed food today. I food this house with food. Come and eat.
Clean up. I trust you. I trust you.
Go inside and eat your food.
I'll take her back to the city.
Hey, don't, please. I don't want any problem in that family.
Nani, you're not causing any trouble. I know my mother. She will soon calm down if she doesn't see me.
Besides, Papa, I mean, the white man even said it takes war to bring peace. At times, some of these things that go easy don't last. If there are some little difficulty, that's when it lasts. That's my hope.
You know I'm an Ichie, and I don't want any quarrel between her family and our own family at all.
It's not a fight between you and my people. It's a fight between my family and I. Since they don't want me to live my life the way I want it, I'll do it my own way.
She's matured enough to take care of.
Of course.
Well, that's all right.
Looks like mom's hair. Can you see? Looks like mommy's hair, just like Kim Kardashian hair. And I like the length. It's long, shoulder length, and it's nice.
I don't like the hair, I like the jewelry.
Yeah, I don't have any choice.
Anita, I just received a call from your father. He said the girl's parents insulted him.
Oh my goodness. I told your father. I told him that even if the girl agreed, her family might not agree, but he refused. Now imagine the kind of insult they're giving to him.
Oh my goodness, mommy, now I'm gonna laugh.
Oh, get it. Leave me
alone.
I wonder why Daddy's doing this. But you know, Daddy, he wouldn't listen. I don't like the idea at all. I don't.
Even me. I wonder what Grandpa needs a wife for. Huh?
I wonder. I'm even happy that this thing did not work out. If your father will rest, let him rest. If not, let him keep going about looking for girls to marry for his father.
Oh, Mommy, don't you think Grandpa will be angry if this marriage didn't work out? Don't you think so?
Did I hear you say angry? Amaka, you're such a joke. Seriously. Tell me, what does Grandpa need a wife for? Mommy, have you forgotten last time I went to village? Grandpa was looking very healthy and strong. Huh? Auntie Nedi was taking good care of him.
Just wait, let your father come back. I will laugh. I will laugh.
I can't believe that Auntie Rose agrees to marry Grandpa.
No. Huh. See, Mommy, Auntie Rose is desperately in need of a husband, so we should leave her alone.
My dear, nobody is disturbing her. We are only worried why this lady is desperate. Why is she desperate, for crying out loud? Let me just wait for your father to come back. I will laugh him. I trust you.
Stop this thing. Stop this thing. I'm warning you. Don't do this thing. Stop this. Stop this thing. Stop this thing. I'm warning you now. I'm warning you. Don't leave this place. Please. Don't leave this place.
Please, no, please.
Don't leave this. Don't leave this place. Don't leave this place.
Look, why are you harassing your sister? Why? Is it wrong for her to get married? I promised you I'm going to take care of your sister and you.
Don't promise anything. Just stay out of this thing.
Many girls pray to get married. That's what you have to know. You are a man, you're growing.
Don't leave here.
What you are doing is wrong, oh. What you are doing is wrong, eh? I don't know if you're under a spell.
Sir, please, let's get before my mother comes back. They won't understand that kids.
This is not good, though. This is not good.
What is not good? Tell me.
How can you allow her to marry your father?
That man you call an old man can beat you in a wrestling contest.
If anybody do this thing to one of your girls, will you be happy?
Please pray for them to marry.
Chudo, remember your house is filled with girls. Eh? If what you are doing to my sister is good, so shall they do to all of them.
Marriage, is it wrong? Sorry, my dear. Well, it's all right. Think about it.
Just go. Don't worry. You are seeing her, Abi? Okay. Until Mama comes back.
Mama will hear this.
Don't worry. Go. Just go.
It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something.
What exactly is going on? Huh? If Ochudo says he wants to get a wife for his dying father, why must it be Rose?
I don't know. Even my own daughter Rose, she's not helping matters at all.
Did you say she ran away from the house?
Yes, she ran away.
How could she have done that?
I don't know.
Don't worry. I'll see Okeke.
Okay.
I'll see him.
Okay, but Nai, please, don't be annoyed. Don't say I'm dragging you into this matter.
I'm okay.
Mama,
it's not me. Whom will you drag? Whom will you drag? Ochudo. Okay. Let Ochudo sack her. Because I understand she's scared because Ochudo is threatening to sack her. We can take care of Rose and the baby. Huh? But if Rose insists in marrying Okeke, the hands are off.
Me too.
Just like that.
Yes, so I come add yours there. Yes.
Hey.
Wow. Babe, what is wrong with this girl called Rose? I really don't understand my friend though. Seriously, I don't understand her anymore.
To the extent of running away with Ochudo to the city. Hey, something must be wrong somewhere.
I'm disappointed. I'm so disappointed.
Wow, look at her poor mother. She's not even considering her. This girl. Oh my God.
I'm disappointed. Honestly, I am.
let's just go. The walls have ear. Let's go, please. Let's just go. Don't worry, I'll talk to her. Hi.
How can Rose do this to me now? Eh? How can? Why should you and Oge allow her to go? Why?
Mama, we try all possible best to stop Sister Rose, but she wouldn't listen.
Jugodoge, what happened here? I nearly fought her. Eh? She insisted. Now what will I do? Should I kill her? I'll allow her to go now.
I see that this thing has gotten to where I can no longer keep quiet. I was even coming from Nayokoro to come and talk to her. I didn't even know she has run to the city without Chudo.
Mama, you need to tell Uncle to go and report these people to our Igwe before things will get out of hand. Must Sister Rose be the one Ochudo will marry to his father?
Yes, I live here now. Eh? I'm going to people straight away.
No, just wait. Let me go to Okeke and I will tell him to send message to his son to bring my daughter back here. I didn't even want my daughter to work for him anymore. Eh? You know, go out my piano. Just be careful, please. Mama, be careful. No problem. Hey, Edube, just go inside. I'm coming back.
Oh, I'm okay. You are welcome. I don't know what came over you the other day we came to your house.
Hey, Nayokeke, I am not here to talk about what happened in my house last time or to sit down. I'm here to tell you to leave my daughter alone and tell your son to bring my daughter back. Eh?
Amoge, it should have been much better for you to sit down, we talk things over. I don't know why you people of the modern age are always in a hurry about things.
Nayokeke, please spare me the gospel of the old age. Because spare me! Do not allow this thing to turn to something else, oh. Do not, oh!
It will not, Amoge, it will not. You are the one making up cases. Eh? It's better you come and sit down, we talk things over. Eh? I didn't even know it was your daughter that Ochudo was talking about. I didn't know. But by all means, we've done everything with her knowledge. You see? So I'll phone Ochudo in the town to bring back your daughter. But remember, you know the residence of Rose.
Hey, Nayokeke, I've said my own. If I don't see my daughter by this time tomorrow, if I don't see my daughter by this time tomorrow, Nayokeke, I will report the whole family to the Igwe, and I will report it to the Igwe. I've said my own, no?
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Not even allow us to sit down. She did not even allow us to open our mouth to hear what we came for. This woman gathered her pickaxe and started pursuing all of us. We had to run to their lives.
But that was bad. At least she would have heard from you people first before taking action.
That was my annoyance.
Well, since she wants to fight over her daughter, I'm sure her daughter is on my side. Let us fight.
That the room is ready.
Okay, Harun.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Follow her. Okay. Take her to the room.
Thank you.
So, what happens in village now is somebody should be happy.
Hey, Amoge. This one you are standing all alone. Hope all is well.
Obioma, my sister. Ochudo and his father has abducted my daughter.
Ochudo and his father abducted your daughter. Yes. And what could have led to that?
Imagine Ochudo and his father came to marry my daughter. Eh? Obioma, tell me. Tell me why Okeke would want a wife and decides that my daughter is the best for him. Ha! Tell me.
Okeke at his old age wants to marry Rose. Huh? To fear. And what did Rose say?
My sister. I don't know if my daughter is in love. She ran away with her children. And I'm just coming back from Okeke's house to warn him to leave my daughter alone for me. Eh?
Nke abụkwa ihe tụfịa akwa, nke amadụ imete ihe tụfịa akwa. Gịnị bụ nnukwu agadi nwoke na-achọzi iwu ahụ? Biko, no matter anything, you have to calm down. I believe one day she must come to her senses.
Thank you very much.
Biko,
Thank you.
Biko.
Hey.
I will still come back to see you.
Thank you.
Well, bye-bye.
Well, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Can I have a word with you?
All right.
Please sit down.
Okay, thank you.
I really don't know where to start from. It's concerning you and your family. Do you think running away from home is the best decision?
I know, Ma. They don't want me to follow my heart. I'm an adult. I know what is good for me. But my mother, she won't understand.
What do you want your mother to understand? That you want to marry a man old enough to be your father? Don't you know it's heartbreaking? It's not easy to control.
It's my choice. They have to respect that fact. Besides, I have my reasons and they don't want to listen to me.
My dear, whatever your reasons may be, don't you think you're breaking your mother's heart? It's heartbreaking. How do you expect her to feel that you want to marry a man old enough to be your father? Besides, it's degrading. Papa doesn't fit you if you ask me.
I know, Ma, but my mind is made up. Thank you for your concern.
It's okay.
Can I go now?
Sure.
Thank you.
Money, if I go neme, oje go newu, obana showa. There is a problem, be say you no get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way. Up if I go ne, it is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn right into black. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Gumbo. It is a money something.
Kiki, no. You're welcome. This one, you came to my house today. I hope all is well.
It's what? This is a letter from the CWO. CWO.
A letter? From CWO? What for?
I don't know. When you read it, you'll find out.
Yeah.
Now, bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, yeah?
Okay, bye-bye.
What for? Hey. Fine.
Ebube. Ebube.
Bia. Chimo. Look at her. CWO. One woman just brought it from. She said it's from a CWO. They fined me 10,000 naira.
Huh?
Because of my sister.
10,000 naira?
Yes.
Why?
Are you asking me? I don't know. Maybe because of your sister's pregnancy.
Mama, you see, Mama, you see what I'm saying? Eh? This Rose issue, this her pregnancy is causing you so much trouble. Mama, I suggest, see what I'm suggesting. Let these people, let them come and pay Rose bride price. Let them come and pay her bride price. So that you use that money to pay now. Eh? You have to go now. Go and at least go and meet Nayokolo. Eh?
Meeting Nayokolo to do what? To
tell him now, so that if they will come and call these people, let them come and pay Rose bride price. Pay her bride price so that. Let me put it inside. This thing is taking too much. Eh?
Okay. I should go tomorrow or I should just go now?
Mama, go now. Go now. Go now. Where will you get 10,000 naira? Take the letter. Mama, take the letter now. Where will you get 10,000 naira? Eh? This issue of Rose, more than I care. I don't know, let them come and marry her. I used to weak. Mama will do nonsense here. Eh? I got to go to the hotel. More than I.
Ojudo, you and Rose, you don't play with this your stepmother to be. Of course. I'm getting jealous.
It's my father's wife. What do? I don't have any choice. If I do not do now, probably she'll change her mind and say she's going.
This one change her mind. The way you used to take care of her, if you're not married, I'm sure you would have married her.
Hey, no ma, it's not like that though.
Allow her to be jealous. Was I not taking care of you when I married? Was even that time my father not taking care of you? Look, you should be treating her better than I do. Because I'm going to give Papa the progress report of how you handled his wife.
Okay. Ngwa Rose, will you eat egg?
Now you're talking.
Yes, ma.
You will eat egg? Yes. Very good. And what?
Egg and biscuit or something.
Egg and biscuit. Egg and biscuit.
What is it, Amobi?
I am finished.
What is it again?
Rose has finished me. See, CW, they has fined me. Yeah, where will I get this money to pay?
Is it because she's pregnant out of wedlock?
Yes.
Stop crying. Stop crying. Wipe your tears.
Okay.
Wipe your tears. Now listen to me. Eh? There's something we will do. I will go and tell Okeke to come and pay for her bride price. Then we will use the money to settle the women.
Are you saying my daughter will now become Okeke's wife?
Ha! Eh? Which one is better, Amogi? Eh? Tell me, which one is better? For her to run out from the house or for her to be properly married to Okeke? Tell me now. Let us ask Okeke to come and pay for her bride price. Emaro, come on, eh?
Okay, so bad, you know.
Wipe your tears, come on.
So bad,
wipe your tears, wipe your tears.
Because my son suggested that. There's no problem.
It's a what suggestion?
Start going.
Just start going. I don't like these tears. I don't like these tears. Yeah?
Hello, my car. Anybody with my car? What are you doing? Rose. Where are these girls?
Inside. I told them not to bother. I'm bored.
Bored or not, I've told you don't do anything that will stress you. How about Gunga Rose? Even do your office work, I'll be bringing the file soon for you to be sorting. Here, don't stress for me. Bia, Anita, Amaka. Yes, sir. Where are these children? Anita.
Yes, sir.
Why did you have to allow her in her condition to be cleaning the house?
Oh, Daddy wanted to do it now, but she insisted.
Yes, sir. I told you.
Let me see. Oh, yeah. Continue from where she stopped. Bia. If it's another, come. You don't know this your condition is very fragile.
Now, wow. That is treating Auntie Rose as if she's a new wife.
Don't mind Daddy. Don't don't mind that he wants to marry Auntie Rose for Grandpa, so he's doing everything to make her happy. Why don't you go inside and meet Clara in the kitchen? Huh? Join her in the kitchen. Let me sweep.
Okay, she says so.
I'll be with you guys shortly.
Oh. Oh, girl. Your face doesn't seem to be bright as it used to be.
Okay. Are you trying to pretend that you don't know why I'm here?
How can I know when you've not spoken?
The ban is one now. Okay, you say you are married woman. How are they?
Is why?
Alright, where's your? Okay. My late brother's wife, Amoge, has been complaining to me concerning what has been going on with her daughter lately. I mean, you are intention to marry her. So unfortunately, I've not had the opportunity to speak with you as an elder.
Guru, my dear, that intention, I was not very much happy about that. But whatever happens, Ochudo, my son, has spoken to the girl and the girl consented to everything.
She consented?
Yes.
Because my main reason of being here is to let you know that I've spoken with Amoge.
You have?
Yes, and I've convinced her. Yes. And we want to let you know that we've accepted your offer.
Good.
Arranged to perform the marital rites.
Oh, that's all right. It's really a good news. Yes. Which should not be heard, but I will not hear it alone. My son Ochudo must hear it, and immediately. So I'll get my phone. You help me pick out the number. I'll phone him and tell him exactly what happened.
Are you telling me you cannot pick out your son's number?
You know, old age caters for a lot of things, and at times I don't know how to pick it out.
No problem, go and bring it. Alright, bring the phone, I'll bring the numbers.
Okay, I'll get you phone.
It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy
love. Hey, Neddy.
Good day, my dear. Odara, how are you? Where are you up to with your daughter?
My dear, I am going to the market to buy the things I used to cook for you people now.
For we people? For what?
Nedere, why are you sounding as if you are not aware that your husband people has been disturbing my daughter for marriage? Why?
My sister, I will not deny the fact that I'm not aware. But just that the matter is too shameful. I don't know how to come and ask you. But my husband told me that the marriage was cancelled.
Nemo, I tried my best. I really tried. I tried to stop it, but my daughter insisted, to the extent that she even ran to the city with Ochudo. Even CWO has fined me 10,000 naira.
Hey! This is too bad. Very bad.
There's nothing I could do than to allow her go. There's nothing I could do.
But you don't have to allow her. You don't have to, Bana. Because whether she marries Mazi Okeke or not, you will still pay the fine. Don't you know? You better go and borrow money and pay that fine instead of giving your daughter to a man who is almost in his grave.
My sister. Hey, Ne, I don't have that kind of money. Let them come. Let them come and bring it.
Don't tell me that you have made up your mind.
Don't tell me. I've made up my mind. What do you want me to do?
You can still cancel the marriage now.
Nemo, thank you very much. Let my daughter go. Let Okeke marry her. I don't want to, continue crying. I don't want to continue crying. I'm tired of crying. Thank you very much for your concern. Biko, let me run along, eh?
It's okay, let's go.
Oh, Biko, you know go.
Okay.
I hope you're coming tomorrow.
No, I will come.
Thank you very much.
I'm tired of crying. Let her go, Madam. Okay. Look at her. You want to come and put sand into my garden? Okay.
Money, if I go name, Oje go name, Ubana Chowa. There is a problem. We say you don't get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way.
Boy. Who's that? Come out, oh.
Stella.
Fine, no, baby. What of your mother? She called me on phone.
They have gone to the market now to buy things for tomorrow's occasion.
Occasion? What occasion are you talking about?
You mean you're not aware?
She only called me on phone to come later in the day. I am not aware of any occasion. Tell me anything.
Well, tomorrow, okay, and his people will be coming to pay Rose's bride price. So that is the thing. So I was even the person that suggested, let Rose marry Okeke so that we'll rest. So that's what they'll be coming tomorrow to do.
No wonder. She has been calling me on phone this morning, but I didn't pick. You know, since that incident now, if I call her, she doesn't pick up my call. I will try and try. She doesn't. I don't know what's wrong with her. I'm surprised to hear this.
They come and marry them all the time. We agreed. No. Let her go. Let her marry Okeke so that guys will rest. She will marry Okeke and will rest. Don't worry. It's tomorrow they will come. Maybe I suggest you come inside and wait for Mama now because I was doing something inside.
No problem now. Do I have an option? Let me just wait for her.
All right.
Men and female. Nonye? Nonye?
Papa.
Yeah, this man I called to come and buy this machine didn't come again.
Papa, I did not see him more. Papa, why do you want to sell these machines?
What are they doing here? I don't have money to repair them, so I better sell them.
Hey, Papuju. Arwe, man. Hey, we are finished, though. Everything has gone wrong.
What is wrong?
Ochudo is going to pay the bride price of Rose tomorrow. This is not a joke.
Who will hand over that bride price? Is it not me?
No, it's true. Oh. This is not a joke.
Nah, this is not a joke. Oh.
Who told you?
I met Amoge on her way to the market to buy things they will cook for the people that are going to come. I saw her.
Amoge. I told everything to stop the marriage. Amoge used her leg to enter market to buy something for them to pay bride price. Oh. So Ochudo has ended up Ekpambo. Ha, Okala.
Nine. What are we going to do? We are finished.
Hey! Let me go and talk to Jesus. Hey!
Nine, talk to who?
Papa, I don't like this at all. What do you need a wife for, Papa? Eh?
Gloria, my daughter, I have completed this matter with your senior brother, Ochudo. There is no need crying over spilled milk. Please, leave this thing to lie so that we go there in peace and return.
Settled word, Papa. Huh? What do you need a wife for?
Why can you ask such a stupid question? How would you know what do you need a wife for? You left here. Since you went to your husband's place, how many times have you come to see your father if you're interested in him? You go, you are married, you face your family, you forget your root, your original family. And the thing is falling on one head. America is in Sweden, doing his own this thing. You are facing your own business. When you come out, it's me. And you're here to quash our plans.
But I thought Nede volunteered herself in taking care of Papa. Eh? Or is she complaining?
Oh, okay, fine. Why would she see you to complain? When last did you see her to complain? She wants to begin to look for you around to complain. By the way, she has the same responsibility you have in another family. Yet she's taking care of Papa. And you ran away. Have you ever given her a kobo for Papa's upkeep? Have you?
Gloria, my daughter, I think Ochudo has a point in this. Tomorrow, the girl will be brought into this house. Huh? We don't need to be running about. Let us go there in peace and return in peace. Huh?
Okay. So Wadro. But I learned that girl's mother is not in support of this. You see?
The girl's mother. Papa, you see it. She is more interested in protecting another family rather than her father. What is good for Papa is this. What is not good for that woman is what we are supporting. But all the matter that you leave Papa here to die, to rot away. You see you say you're interested in your... Because that's all I'm feeling hungry.
Oledo, go in. Nedri prepared my lunch, but I'm not eating it. So you go in and make it all right, and you eat it. You and your brother.
Oh, it must be cooked by now.
Then warm it. That's why you're a woman.
But you don't be Atakaripanam, eh? I know you're attacking me because of what I said.
Hey,
was what you said, was it rational?
When shall you two be cool about everything?
Papa, why would you do it? She's not my age mate. She's my younger sister. I'm a mother. And she comes here every time, anytime I read something. And please stop calling her Ole. This all is not a game. He has faded. If I hold her name, what I call her?
Rose, my daughter.
Uncle.
I brought you out here privately to talk with you heart to heart. Are you telling me that you've made up your mind towards that marriage?
Yes, Uncle. I have made up my mind. And I want you people to understand that I am an adult. I have my reasons.
And you didn't put your family into considerations in your reasons. You didn't care about our feelings.
I do, Uncle. It's just that it's my life. And I'm ready to bear whatever that comes out of the marriage. But I want you people to be happy with me, not angry. I promise to make you people proud. Ochude is a very rich man and has promised to take good care of me.
Okay. Now I understand. Okay. No problem. But you know, as an adult, I won't sit and watch things go wrong without saying anything. Makano Kenya man no.
Uncle, I do. It's just that it's my life.
Rose.
Uncle.
Do you know that it's not going to be a big celebration? It's only going to be a small gathering. Because you know, no one should be proud of that type of marriage.
It's okay, Uncle. I don't mind. That's all that matters. Yes.
Hi. Okay. If you say so.
Thank you, Uncle.
Our in-laws, we have all eaten today. I think what we'll do now is let him read out the list so that you people will know what is in the list. Yeah? Shall he go ahead?
Oh, of course.
Okay. Ebube, read the list.
Bride price payment list. 1 he-goat. He-goat for Umunna.
Yeah.
5 cartons of beer. 1 carton of malt. 5 pieces of wrapper.
Yes.
For Umuada. 1 she-goat for the mother. 2 baskets of onions. 20 gallons of palm wine.
Please, sorry, you say how many baskets of yabas?
You had him clear. Everything is very, very clear. Even me myself, I had everything. Why are you asking?
Allow him to finish first.
Yeah, it's all right. It's all right. So go ahead. Go ahead.
Bros, continue. Because we don't have time. You know, he's already late.
40 pieces of kola nuts.
You want the youth today. Why did you forget their cigarettes?
Okay. 2 fowls. 5 packets of cigarettes for the youth. 1 bottle of snuff with ego money on top.
That is all. Yes.
That is all.
That is all.
Okay, we've heard what you read. What if I'm wondering if you will accept the list in cash equivalent? If you accept.
No problem. There's no problem with that. Only the money has to be complete.
How much? How much is it?
How much? My in-laws is just a very small amount of money. It's only 250,000.
Very cheap, very cheap.
Only 250,000.
Very cheap. It's very cheap. 250. Very cheap. Sorry, we are going to give you.
Don't mind him.
I will pay it and give with interest.
You
total go couple.
Very cheap.
Let him come so that I will come there.
I told you he won't allow you to talk. Now you can say it.
He did not even allow me to put my mouth. Well, they've gone to pay her bride price today. Hey! But Bibian, I'm still wondering why such a girl accepts to marry Papa.
She's pregnant. Her boyfriend dumped her. She's running away from shame.
What? No wonder. But why would Ochudo decide to marry such a girl for Papa? After so many years, Mama died. No,
my sister, please. Let's just leave them alone, Biko. She's interested. I have tried talking to her, and she said I should please let her be, that she knows what she's doing.
What nonsense is she doing? Well, I've said my own. But since Papa is even interested, I can go ahead and marry her. My own.
No, my sister, drink your wine. Just leave them.
As well.
We've said our mind.
Such a pretty girl. Papa.
Can't even weigh both sides.
Papa, I just want to come and inform you that I'll be leaving tomorrow. Yes, now that everything, I've arranged everything, this girl is here to give you help and all that. But Papa, I want to warn you something. You know, considering your age, this girl will serve all your needs, provided you do not go there, if you understand what I'm saying. I do. Because if you go there, Papa, the aim will be defeated. You will die on top. You will want to do Papa on top, and Papa will go 6 feet below.
Well,
if you know what I mean, if you understand.
Yeah, I understand. I do understand. Ochudo, my son, you see, I know exactly what you are driving to. I did not accept Rose to come and finish me or kill me.
Good. I'm happy at least you know that. Because my main aim is to keep you alive. That was why I brought her. But the moment you go the other side, Papa, considering your age, you will not, in fact, you will be requiring the services of mortuary attendant as soon as possible. That girl is strong. Yes. You are well. I'm not saying you are weak, but you are old.
That will not happen anyway. Your brother, have you been hearing from him?
Papa, I talk with him almost every time.
No, when is it?
That boy is doing well, fantastically well. Yes, Papa. Yeah, he's doing fine.
Hey, when exactly did he say he's coming back?
No, he didn't tell me when he will be coming back. I'm sure that soon. There's something he has at hand. Soon he will be back. He will come back. Oh. Papa, let me go and sleep.
Okay, good night.
And tomorrow we can finish whatever.
Yes. Good night.
Yes, sir.
You slept very well last night.
This marriage issue gave me sleepless nights. Hi. So, Nna Okeke finally married that girl.
Okay. Oh my God. But no wahala, no trouble. Don't worry yourself. One thing I know is that everything that I was doing for them, I will never do it again. And you will never cross your leg inside that compound again.
Jemegene, if Nna Okeke needs somebody that will help him run errand, let him go and call Rose. I can never do anything for them again.
Whether good or bad, whether they like it or not, they must settle you for the job you did for them. Me, Okurora, Aderi right, Mary. They must pay for it.
Nah, don't worry. Even if they don't settle me, I have already settled myself. I've packed enough food there, so I am not too much bothered. Look at Ochudo. Upon all the money he has, he only cares for his father.
Don't mind him. But only Chineke ga-akpọ ya ọkụ. Only Chukwu ga-akpọ ya ọkụ. Once he decided to do this thing to us.
Food is so plenty. Who will finish it? But give somebody they cannot.
The food then for so the remaining one, they will use it to bury somebody.
Oh.
One thing there I know is that, oh God, Ochudo, Rose. Okay.
Oh, Ochudo one. Oh, I said I go on yafa. Chia Huh? You've been finding peace in your father's compound, and I pray that God will send that peace into your own compound.
Amen.
And remain with you. Send my regards to my grandchildren. Tell Amaka that it seems she has forgotten me. I've not been hearing from her again.
Amaka will never forget you. You know, Amaka used to be Papa's pet.
Yes, that's true.
Very close. It's all right. She's even praying that this marriage will work so that Papa will be in good stead. I'm telling you.
No, she will. But I know you bring them back here during Christmas season.
Definitely. Definitely. We will be back on Christmas. And Rose, Papa, I've given Rose money, enough money. You know, at least to buy certain things, food stuff and all that. Because I noticed that the store is almost empty. Papa, you eat too.
Nedre is in charge of everything.
He's feeding you.
Yes. As Rose is here, she will hand over to Rose properly and make sure that everything goes just like she will do it.
Yes.
Look after her. Let her go and look after her own children.
Exactly, Papa. That's exactly where I am going. If anytime you need money, Rose, don't hesitate to let me know. You understand? It's part of the words that I've given you. If there's anything extra, just call me and I'll send money to you.
All right. Thank you very much. My husband is in good hands.
Oh, good. I know
I like that.
I know.
Papa, no wonder Papa is smiling.
Good dad.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You come out so early.
I came to see our wife.
Oh, I love that.
I came to see her so that I greet her.
Good of you.
You did fine. Thank you. I would want you to be coming, once in a while. You just come, send her around, take her around, so that she can get familiar with things around here. If I like today, I'm even appealing that you take her to the market so that she will know how to buy and,
Nah, I would have liked to, but I'm not chanced at all. I'll be going for our women's meeting today.
All right, don't worry, I'll manage.
All right.
See what I'm telling you?
All right. Well, Papa, let me run. I forgot something upstairs. Ned, you can come and take this. Okay. That's why I go and collect something upstairs.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
If I go neme, oje go nefu, ubana chowa. There is a problem, we say you no get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible.
Hey, Mama. Mama.
Augusta.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
I thought you've gone back to school.
Fine.
Augusta, I thought you've gone back to school.
No, Ma. I was supposed to go back last week, but my mom said she doesn't have money.
Hey, but your mom's supposed to give you money to go back to school. After all, you are her only daughter. Eh? Anyway, you know what? Don't worry, I will talk to her.
I've heard what he said, Amoge. It's okay. I've heard him. I heard him very, very well. Amoge, are you the person saying this? Yeah? Let me ask you, are you the person saying this?
Obioma, I didn't say anything bad though. I was just concerned about your daughter.
You didn't say anything bad. You were just concerned about my daughter. Look at, you want my daughter to believe that I don't want to pay for her school fee. Eh, what?
Mama.
Shut up. Shut up your mouth. But let me tell you, you have to consider yourself. Consider your children before you talk to me. What of your son, Ebube? Ebube read everything. What is he doing now? Nothing. Consider your first daughter. Just consider your first daughter. You did everything for her. You paid for her school fees, I believe. But she dragged the family's name to the mud by marrying an old man, Okereke, who is as old as his own father.
Mama, why are you insulting this man now? She has not said anything bad. Why are you insulting her?
Don't mama me anything, I will slap you.
Hey, Obioma. Hey, I know you have been looking away to insult me. I know. But it's not your fault. There's no problem. It's my daughter's fault. She's the one that brought this thing upon me. Thank you very much.
I'm helping you too. Thank you.
Mama, why are you insulting her now? She hasn't said anything bad. Why are you insulting her?
Shut up! I'm not mama.
Please, why are you insulting her? That man has not said anything bad.
I said that you should shut up. If you wouldn't mind, pay for a time crier. Yes, use microphone.
She hasn't said anything bad.
Tell the whole village that I refuse to pay for school fees. Look at Amoga advising me. Huh?
Oh, you don't mind to report that insult on her?
Oh, you're now go, okay? Yeah. Get out of my sight, you with Amoga.
Leave me alone.
Advisor indeed. She's not ashamed of herself. Nonsense.
Mama? What is it? What's the problem? Mama, talk to me now. What's the problem? What is it?
Obioma has finished me. Yeah? She has finished me all because of Rose, your sister.
What's her concern in this issue? Mama, what's her concern? Eh? He said, okay, don't worry. I will see that woman. I will see that woman. By the time I am through with her, that woman. So, don't just bank it. I will see her. Relax.
Now I'm the object of caricature in this village. Oh, because of Rose. Obioma insulted me. Mwa. She insulted me. Hey!
You know you're better than these people anyway. Stop crying, okay?
Thank you.
You know that this issue to affect you.
Hey!
It's alright. I don't know why everybody is putting back in this issue. Eh? Obioma. That woman. Don't worry, don't worry.
Who is that? What is it?
It's about your brother.
My brother?
Okay.
What happened?
He found out from the pantry.
My brother did what?
Your brother, he fell down from the pantry.
My brother fell down from pantry. Yes, hey! Okay, come my brother. One them. Okay.
Well, Yadeba, let it be.
What are you doing? Do it fast now. We're going to use this thing to cook food today. Eh?
I'm trying my best now. Yeah? I'm liking myself. No?
You're trying your best. You're supposed to finish this thing yesterday. Ochaka or Maka.
Mama Rose.
Huh? Mama Rose. What is it? What happened?
What happened? Dead! Hey! How? Where? When? How did it happen? What is it?
He died few minutes ago. Mama, what is it? He fell down from the palm wine tree.
Okeke is dead. Okeke is dead.
Hey! How can my daughter start experiencing widowhood now? How can...
So Rose, how are we?
Widow! Huh?
Hey!
What do I do now?
Mama,
I'm just coming back from that place. You need to go there fast. She needs you. Hey, you need to go there. Thank you very much, Stella. Mama, carry this melon inside. Okay, let's go. And lock the door. You too. Come on, fast. Thank you very much. We're coming right now. Everybody, one now.
Let me lock this.
Fast. Get there. Everybody. Let's go.
Dad, I don't like this station. I think I'll change it.
I'll change everything.
You're not doing any reasonable thing.
I like cartoons. Don't put any football here because I don't like watching.
That's your mother.
Daddy, welcome.
Yes. How's your mother?
She went to the market with Sister Aneta.
Why do you leave this children's parlor so scattered? It used to be a very clean place. Is it because I've not been entering here often? We could clean these things up. Well, if your mother comes around, tell her I've gone down to the village.
To do what?
Okay, come. Your grandpa has a slight problem I want to go and solve.
Problem? Grandpa has a little problem.
I know. His pet is talking. Don't worry, nothing too serious. I just want to go and solve grandfather's problem and come back. So tell your mother.
Okay, say hi to Grandpa.
All right, I will. Please keep this place very, very clean.
I hope Grandpa is not dead.
Don't even say such a thing. Dead? No.
It's okay.
It's okay. Yeah? It's okay. No, take her inside. We don't want people to gather here now. Take her inside. Oh yeah, take her inside.
It's okay. Hey!
Hey!
Where is my daughter? Where is she?
She's in Jamaica. No, this way.
My brothers, what is keeping Ochudo? She's supposed to have been here by now.
Don't worry, you come. We called him now. Anya Bogo on the phone. He will come. But you know we cannot deposit the corpse without him being around.
How can we carry corpse to mortuary? Dude, if you carry corpse to mortuary, will you pay? You have to wait for Chudo to come back before you Hey! Ochudo, Ozo Nabacha. Hey!
What happened to Grandpa? Talk to me now, Guinea. No. Hey, Grandpa. Hey. So it's... Oh my God. Oh my God.
What happened to Grandpa?
Hey.
Mommy, what happened? What happened to Grandpa?
Grandpa is dead.
Oh my God, oh my goodness. Oh no, not this time. Mommy, Grandpa promised to buy me something when next we go to the village. Now he's dead. Oh, Grandpa. Why should you die now? So leave Auntie Rose. Oh God, why?
Hi. I feel for that girl, Rose. Oh God. Her son is still small. Grandpa will not listen. Your father always tell him to stop this palm wine stuff thing, to stop this, to stop it, but he wouldn't listen. Hi. God.
I wonder what he did with the money he realized from palm wine. I wonder, and Daddy always sent him money and food every weekend. Now look at what happened to him. So, Mommy, when are we going to the village?
I don't know. Your father said they are on their way to the mortuary. And Dominic is coming us. Because child.
My brothers, now that we have deposited the body at the mortuary, Ochudonna, you have to prepare to tell the community officially about your father's departure.
Are you saying without that, people will not come for condolence?
Yeah, Ochudo, you will do it. It's a tradition. That will be the first thing you will do, just to tell the entire village that your father is dead. And as a first son of Okeke, you must do it.
So you have to get your father's palm wine instruments ready. Yeah? Get the things ready.
I have not experienced this before.
Ochudo, you have not seen it before because your father has not died before.
Unless you want to Emenike to do it. If he does, that means he will inherit everything your father has.
That is the tradition. It has happened to the Kohli's family. You know Kohli's family. The senior one claims to be born again and refused to do it. Then the second one did it and everything was willed to him automatically.
No, it's all right. It's all right. Since it is what the tradition says, I'll do it.
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, man. So, he will do it. Okay, well, you also didn't know.
You have to get his palm wine things ready.
So you have to enter so that you go and rest.
His palm wine is necessary.
Yes, now. That is the Domenana.
That will be tomorrow.
That will be tomorrow.
Money, if I go neme, oje go nefu, ubana chowa. There is a problem, we say you don't get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way. Up if I go ne, it is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something.
us.
Oh my God.
Come on, put the boot for them. You guys are too... Auntie. Look at you. Look, it's so good.
Be careful.
Grandpa dead actually brought you back to finally. Oh, okay. Can't my brother is taking good care of me. Oh, you just pampered my birthday. Finally, Grandpa dead had to bring you back. You're looking good, you know. Oh, let's go inside.
Uncle, did you buy chocolate for me?
I brought it. She can't carry it. Can't you carry it? You got your face in there now.
It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. I'll be fair good. It is a money something. Money
Stella, why is she complaining that I did not come to stay with her? Am I the one that tell her to marry that old man? Am I? Please, be cool. Tell her she should leave me alone. Nyahapumaka. Eh?
Mama, I'm only suggesting. It will be more comforting you go and stay with her. Eh? At least, she needs you now.
She needs you. No, Mba. Oge is there. And we all cannot go there and stay with her. We can't pack ourselves and go there and stay with her. Eh? I have important thing to do. And when my hand doesn't name me, I have important thing to do. I cannot do that.
Stella, welcome.
Thank you.
Mama, what do you need? See her now. Ask her. She said your sister said we should come and stay with her, that I didn't come to stay with her. But Oge is there. What does she want from me?
Mama,
I
think Stella is right too.
Huh?
Yes, now go and stay, at least. Go and stay with her.
Go and kuzinka. A chopper mo. Seba po. Ebube. Are you the one saying this? Biko, go.
I just came to tell you how she's feeling. No, I don't think she's okay. That's why I'm saying maybe if you just go there, like stay a while, come back, it will be more better.
Stella, I've not forgiven my daughter yet. I've not forgiven her at all. I've not. Simple. So tell her to mourn her husband. It's okay marrying both of us. Because happen to my can leave me alone. Ngwa. Naba. Go.
Let me be going.
Go.
Stella, thank you very much. Thank you. But Mama, you work at the village, you should try now.
Ozugo.
I'm going.
Bye.
Stella, bye.
Mama,
it's okay now. That one has gone now.
Gone where?
Forgive her.
It's okay. You are ready now.
So you will run around the whole village, including Nkwo Market Square.
Yes. Do I have to get to Nkwo?
Today is Nkwo. Because today is Nkwo, so that everybody will see you and know that you're Nnukwu Madana.
Alright.
Even the whole village. Drive with care.
Because
it's our tradition. Okay, Kana.
Open an ebuka.
Money, if I go neme, oje go nefu, ubana chowa. There is a problem, we say you no get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way. Up if I go ne, it is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something.
Nah, you do that too.
Don't you know that in a situation like this, they don't like talking to anybody, don't you know?
Was that why he refused to greet us?
Now you're taking his true video. My sister, that is it too. I even wonder what his wife will do. That young lady.
What? Anything she like, let her do. I wonder what pushed her to marry that old man. Nayoko, I'm very serious. The burial is over. What else is she still doing there? Stop. This is not laughing matter. I'm not laughing. This is very serious. The burial is over. What else is she doing there?
That's why I was smiling. You're always in a hurry. Relax. Now listen. She may have to come back, but it will not be now. We will give her time to mourn her husband, remove the mourning garment after 3 months. We really have to give her time.
But Nai, I have to tell her so she will start making up her mind to come back. I won't rest until she comes back. I won't.
I'm okay. After some years now, you are still agitated over Rose. Now let me tell you. Left for me, I would say let's allow Rose to do what's on her mind. Is that all right? Let me ask you. If Okeke, we are not dead, are you going to be saying these things now? Huh? If Rose had the heart to marry him, let's allow Rose, please. Let's allow her.
Nah, she did all that because she was pregnant. But she's no longer pregnant. She has delivered. Let her come back. I can take care of my grandson.
One. The issue is not being able to take care of your grandson. The issue is this. Rose, rightfully, was married to Okeke. She has to mourn him. I know how to handle these things, though. I'll handle it my way. Don't forget that if you hurriedly break a yam while harvesting it, you will be forced to bend down to bring out the broken part. Banu gujieji.
Nah, I've heard you. I've heard what you said. Just like as you said, I will try to wait. Mecha.
Jerry.
I will try. But nah, I'm sorry. Let me check if there is something in the kitchen.
I've been expecting that. Please. No. Go ahead.
That girl is awesome. I couldn't believe that such a beautiful young lady would agree to marry someone like Papa.
It wasn't easy to convince her mom and the family to let that girl enter this royal family. I tried everything and I said she had to be here. That girl is a nice person.
But I know. I know.
Oh, no.
You see, everything you told me about her, I have seen. She's a very, very good person.
You're right. Rose.
The girl is special. She's a special person.
Do you know Papa had to confess to me that if he were to be young again, he would fight any man for that girl. The girl's behavior, let's just put the beauty aside. Her behavior, her comportment, the way she does, that girl is... That was why I insisted that she must come into the family. Despite the fact that she was pregnant, I insisted.
But you know some men are fools. Some men are just foolish. How will a man impregnate such a beautiful girl and then abandon her with a child?
You know, he told me something about a contract.
Yes.
The white people contract. Did you eventually secure it?
Yes, I succeeded. I
got it.
Really?
It.
Yes.
Beautiful. God is wonderful.
I'm telling you.
And you didn't even tell me you were hiding it.
But you see, I was just coming out from the office when you now called me that Papa was dead. You know, and I started walking around for my papers and every other thing. I was really busy that period. Very busy.
I hope you didn't abandon the contract. No. So who is executing the fund?
My boys are there. Brother, I have boys there.
Oh, okay.
And my boys are taking good care of it. You know, we talk every day on internet. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I talk with them. So, brother, What are we going to do about Rose and her son Ekene? Baby Ekene.
Rose and the baby. No, don't worry about that very well. Do you normally mix this thing? Because I don't know whether to go and get a...
No, I don't mix it.
So, Papa, now that Oichi Okeke is dead, what will happen to Rose?
That is your concern. It doesn't concern me.
But Papa Uju, what if Ochudo decides to take Rose to the city?
Fine. Let them take her to city. But one thing I know, they will find somebody to be sweeping that in their house. Or if they want, let them bring somebody and pay that person. If they want us to work for them, they come, we negotiate.
Yes, so Papa is right. Because Mama will not be going there to suffer, finish and sweep there, and they will not compensate us by giving us something. If they want us to sweep there, then they'll have to compensate us.
Upon all my suffering, these people did not even bother to compensate me with even if it is betrayal slippers. Hi, it's fair. But what if Rose decides to go back to her people?
I will even support her. During the burial, you didn't give me even a special drink. As a brother that is taking care of their compound in the village.
But Papa, why don't you talk to Emenike? He's a nice person, no? Not like Ochudo. Talk to him, at least remind him how Mama has been taking care of Ichi Okeke and their properties. I believe he will do something.
Yes. Didn't you see how he was throwing money that day?
Did he give you any?
He didn't give me.
So that I will go and talk to Emenike as a beggar.
But Papa, it's not as if we ask you to beg him. We don't want you to be a beggar. But at least, he doesn't know anything. He has been away for a while.